So hello everybody, how you all doing? I know it's been a while since I made a video about Openbox because I actually haven't been that much at work on it. I've been working on a new update. I've been trying to implement some new fixes and changes to make it run actually a bit faster. I still need to figure out like how to optimize the code so it runs actually even faster. But right now it's like good enough. It's not perfect. So this is more of a update video telling you about the new features and such. If you remember from my last video, we actually had to use just one monitor in our setup to make it work. Right now, you can use two monitors, but the window snapping feature will work only on the main monitor. So if you have a secondary monitor like I have right now in my setup, you sadly won't be able to snap windows on that one. Actually, there is one place you can snap windows, and that's to the top, therefore making it full screen on that second monitor. So that does work, but that's the only place you can snap it to. So it's a really interesting bug, but in my case it works out because I usually have my main monitor's windows snapped anyways. So if it doesn't work on the second one, I'm not bothered with it, but I get it when some other people try and use it and they get bothered by it because it doesn't snap to the right places on their second monitor. It just has only one place to snap for now, so bear that in mind. I will not be pushing this update out yet because I want this update to be pretty much fully featured. So I'm just making a video about it, telling you about the feature and such that I implemented. I'm not gonna show much code in this video because I will get flamed by C++ developers for all the shit that I'm doing. I've been quite hard at work on that patch, so let me just show what I'm talking about. So here we are at my main environment. Usually I have like a code editor open and a terminal. I usually have a terminal open anyways because I like to view stats and such. Right now we list out our current like resource use. You'll see it's around 2 gigs of RAM. You have to realize though, we have Chrome open. We're recording via OBS with basically screen capture and everything. It's 1080p and we have a bunch of files open inside of that, and Chrome is actually doing some stuff. So 2 gigs of RAM on the Openbox with all of this stuff open isn't that bad actually, considering all the stuff that we're running right now. In terms of the performance, I tried to improve it somewhat. And in this Openbox config with window snapping, I have actually some things that I added. Like for example, if you want to implement keyboard switching, I can actually show you this. So we can open up Kate. So if you go to auto start, which is the file that I was talking about, you'll notice that we have nitrogen dash restore, that's for my wallpapers, XFC polkit, that's for the policy kit, tint 2 is just for the bar at the bottom right here that I use, because you can see it doesn't actually snap properly, it like cuts it off at the bottom right there. So it's something I need to work on and fix. Take this with a grain of salt. This is not by any means a perfect build. It has quite a few bugs, but the window snapping with 2 monitors does work now. In some cases it just doesn't register, so just drag it out of the corner and try it again and it might work. Again, this is like really finicky and I am aware of this. I'm still trying to figure all this stuff out, and as soon as I'm done with this one, I won't be working on it full time though. So bear in mind that I might go on a hiatus for a few weeks again, and I figured, you know what, it's like required to tell you guys like what I'm working on right now. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I won't be showing any code in this video. I have it open there just to, you know, get the algorithm to pick it up. But that's pretty much all I've been working on for the past like week or two. So now at the current status, I have it on my system. This is my main production machine on which I'm running Arch Linux now, if you were wondering. Let me just show you this. So I'm running Arch Linux on my main Linux box. You can see we have 2 monitors over here as well. So it does detect it properly and everything. A ton of time to figure this stuff out, but I'm planning on somehow, some way implementing valence support. I want to thank you all for joining me today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video interesting. Share it around if you have some people, buddies, pals who are interested in code or stuff related to Linux. And I hope to see all of you beautiful people next time.